Right. The casualties, when you look at it in terms of like what the actual targets that we're looking for versus the actual people that were killed, right, collateral damage is tremendous amount of collateral damage. And that's not something that we would ever accept from one guy. Right. Say if we had
What the fuck are you doing? Oh, you fucking people. It's a goddamn parking spot right there. Fucking idiot. Fucking people.
Today is day one of the shutdown.
26th, I think.
Which is so 800,000 American workers that work for the government are not getting paid. So they're a month out. Many of these people, paycheck to paycheck. They don't have medical necessities. They don't have food. People are having to ration off their insulin if they're diabetic. I mean, I'm hearing these horror stories. There's lines at the airport or around the fucking block. It's chaos. And it seems like there's no end in sight. And it seems like Trump is just content to hold his position.
Well, I think both sides are content to hold their position.
That seems fucking crazy to me.
It is crazy. It's absolutely crazy if you think about it. And it's not just 800,000. I don't know the exact numbers, but think about all the contractors, right? Think about all the government contractors.
Right. Right.
You know, if I'm not mistaken, I don't think they're getting paid. Yeah.
Right.
And so this has, and you know, the administration.
So if you really love someone, there's almost no chance that you wouldn't do everything you could to make them into a Scientologist.
Having been born and bred a Scientologist and as the niece of David Miscavige,